what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday and we're all in our pajamas. My face hasn't been washed yet, teeth have not even been brushed yet, but we are gonna make banana bread, and we make banana bread honestly probably like every other day, probably because I buy so many bananas and they all look like this so quickly. I actually made 4 loaves of banana bread yesterday, a big loaf and then 3 mini loaves for the girls. But we have these bananas and I don't want them to go bad. So we're gonna make banana bread real quick. I always make this and I share on Instagram that I make it so often and people are always asking for my recipes. So, you wanna sit? So I'm gonna make it. I make it so much that I know the measurements, but I don't really measure anything except for the sugar and flour. So I'm gonna make it how I always do with the girls, and then I'll leave specific instructions in the description box so there's no confusion. A big bowl? Is it hot? No, it's not hot anymore. It was hot for us yesterday because it came out of the dishwasher. Right? You want to sit up here too? Okay. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is you can either use two bananas or 3 bananas. I prefer to use more bananas because it tastes more like banana. Yep. And I just happen to have 3, so we're gonna use all 3. Can you try to peel the banana for mommy? So the first thing you're gonna do is just put your bananas in the bowl and mash them with a fork. Can you put your bananas in a bowl? Here, mommy can help you and then you can do the rest. Pull. Pull here. Yucks. You wanna make banana bread too? Oh, put it right there on the counter. Okay. Come on, banana. You're doing a super good job. It's okay. Now you just put the broken piece in the bowl. Okay, no, Darcy, you're gonna do the eggs and the butter. Okay? Oh, good job, Emmy. Perfect. Now we're gonna mash the bananas. Thank you. Let's mash the bananas. Mash the bananas. Mmm. What does that smell like? Crack?
Yeah, a crack.
We're cracking bananas?
Yeah.
We sure are. Careful, sissy. Careful. Emmy, leave the camera alone. Okay, now we're gonna do 2 eggs after we mash our bananas. Who can do the eggs? Okay, Dusty, you do first egg. Daddy will wipe your hand. And now Scarlett, go ahead and crack your egg too. You don't want to? Want mommy to do? Okay, mommy will do this one. Yeah? And now we're gonna put the butter in. You wanna do that part?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try to unpeel it just a little bit for you. Okay. Now you have to take the wrapper off it. Okay, and now, help me, Scar, shake it. Good job, guys. I forgot something. We need our mixer. We need our mixer. Before we do that, we're gonna do some vanilla.
Yeah.
Some vanilla and a little salt. You wanna help me with the salt? Okay. Got it? Ooh, thank God that didn't come out too fast. Okay, perfect. Okay, we need a cup of sugar. Cup of sugar. Okay, here you go. You got it? And we actually need a little bit more. That wasn't a full cup. Okay, Scar, you can do this one. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Did you just fart in my arms?
Yeah.
Excuse you. Now we're gonna do baking soda. It's a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm looking. It's just a teaspoon of baking soda, but I just eyeball that too, and I hope for the best.
I did it.
Okay. And now we need flour. No, we're ready for it now. Mommy's gonna do this one because this one can be kind of messy. Okay, help me. Put your hand on Mommy's hand. Okay, yeah. Emmy gets to do the next one. Now this one Emmy gets to do. Emmy, that's a great job. Almost. That wasn't a full 2 cups, so we do have to add a little bit more. Okay, Scar, now you can help Mama. Thank you. Now we're gonna stir it with our mixer again. He went upstairs to take a shower. He's got to go to work. He's gonna get you a surprise? At work?
Yeah.
Does Daddy normally get you a surprise at work? Oh, okay. Just a little baby one. Everybody can have just a little baby one. Sure, just a little baby one. And then we'll put our chocolate chips in it. Oh, no, see, that was a big scooper. Oh, no, okay, no more. Now, that's what time it is. Chocolate chip time. Okay. You want some chocolate? Here, Dossie, move this way just a little bit. Yep, you're gonna sit here. Yep. Now, we always use chocolate chips. I use chocolate chips in everything. What? But obviously, you could use walnuts. Hold on. But obviously you can use walnuts or raisins or whatever else you want to, but we're just a chocolate chip kind of family. We'll use them all. Dump it all in. Okay, now we have to add chocolate chips to our grocery list, right? Because we're gonna need more. Okay, you guys can have a chocolate chip.
Okay.
No, Dossie. That's enough. She put her whole hand in it like this. Just a couple. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up and then we're gonna put it in the oven. No more. We're gonna mix it up and then put it in the oven. They've already had four slices of banana bread just this morning. They love banana bread so much. Okay, no more. Okay, I keep saying no more, but we have to move it. Nope, now we gotta mix it up. Emmy. No more. You already had so many. That's Emmy's new thing. Aww. Sure is cute. How did you tell our friends what kind of cupcakes you're gonna have for your birthday?
Yeah.
What kind of cupcakes do you want? You want chocolate daisy cupcake? Okay. We're gonna go on their birthday. Happy birthday, Mickey! On their birthday, we're gonna go take them to a Disney restaurant. It's a character dining experience. That's what we've done every year on their birthday. So we'll have lunch with Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, and Pluto. So we're prepping them for that because last year and the year before they were very scared. To put it in our bowl. Scar! Like I said, I'll put the specific directions in the description because I know it's chaotic with the girls around. But I'm gonna put it in the oven now at 350. Yes, you can lick that. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for, honestly, it takes like an hour. Sometimes it takes a little bit more, but I always check it after like 45 minutes to see where we're at. But an hour usually makes it cooked on the inside just right, and it's like a little crunchy on the outside. It's been an hour since I got the banana bread in the oven, and it was just enough time to get the girls' diapers changed. I fed the baby and just put the triplets down for a nap, and Andy is on her way to sleeping right now. I think it's done. I still don't have an oven mitt. We got rid of it. We got rid of ours when we were redoing our kitchen, So I just probably should order one on Amazon. In the meantime, I'm using a little towel. It looks good. My whole house smells amazing. I'm just gonna use a butter knife and make sure it's cooked. Oh, I don't think it is. Nope, not yet. Yeah, see, sometimes it takes like just an hour, and then sometimes it takes like an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, back in for a few more minutes. Maybe I could try adjusting the temperature. I don't know, if you guys cook banana bread frequently and it works better at a higher temperature, let me know. I could always try like 375. I've always done 350, so. The banana bread is finished and it looks delicious, and even better, my house smells amazing. It smells like the best kind of candle ever, but it's real banana bread. But anyway, I guess that's it. I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I have a sweet potato in the oven now. I'm gonna do chicken, sweet potato, and then, I don't know, whatever other veggies I have in my refrigerator. I guess that's it though. I'll make sure to add all of the ingredients and the detailed instructions. I mean, banana bread is not difficult, but I just love this recipe. It works and it's consistent and it's always delicious. So it's my go-to. And when the girls were little and I wanted to get something healthy and a little fattening in them, this was always like what I always would turn to. But anyway, I'll leave it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.